Okay, see, do you have Visual Studio Code installed in your machine?
Have Eclipse.
Eclipse, okay.
Yes.
Can you do Visual Studio Code, please?
Visual Studio.
Yes.
I don't have Visual
You
Studio.
can download it. I will guide you.
Okay. I'll be back. Send me. Did you send?
Let me stop sharing my screen. Okay. Did I give you access? Okay, see, you can share now, okay?
Okay. You want me to share my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now what? Visual Studio?
Okay, download the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Okay, it's downloading.
Yes.
And I guess Java is installed already, right?
Yeah, it's already installed.
Very good.
Okay, I'm
Okay, it's
installing.
downloaded. I guess you go to download section and click on it. Okay,
Oh,
it
no,
will
no, it's downloading. It's
start
downloading.
installation. Okay.
Can you see it's downloading?
Uh, it's finished. No, you didn't share complete screen, I think.
Okay, let me. Now?
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
choose the theme. How do you like the light modern look or dark?
I'll
Yeah,
do
this one is
this.
better. No, not that one. The gray one is better. Okay, this one. No, you don't have to browse now. Okay, you have chosen already. Okay, now
Okay.
just close it.
Close
No,
it.
no, not that one. Welcome screen. Close it.
Okay.
Okay, now, okay, go to the extension that blocks icon left side. No, not that one. The bottom one. No, no, on the same. Okay, follow me. Yes. There you type Java. In the extensions, you type Java. Okay, and
This.
hold on. So yeah, that one. It has like extension pack for Java. Okay. It will take some time. Let it complete.
Okay. What is this? This interlike.
Language support for Java.
Are you speaking? I can't hear you.
No, I'm not saying anything because it has to install, no, first. Okay, it says installing. Okay, now it is installed. Okay, so close this extension page, not that one. The you know in the main section. Yeah, please. This one. Now currently which is open. Okay, close that.
This you want me to close
No,
it?
no, not that one. See, below the file there is a tab, no? Extension pack for Java on top. Ah, that one. Okay. Now, okay, what you do? Create one folder, okay, anywhere that you wish to create all the files, save all the files, okay. So do you have like directory
Directory?
already created, folder created somewhere? No, not new file. You have to first choose open folder. Go to open folder. No, no, no. What are you doing? See, just choose open folder. Open file below that open folder is there.
Yes.
Yes. Now choose the folder where do you want to keep all the files. Create new folder if it's not there.
Okay.
Okay, and name it codes, Java codes. Name it Java codes. No, you have to rename it. No, that new folder, rename it. Yes, that one you have to rename. No, Adarsh, right click
Yes.
on the new folder inside, rename, right
Okay.
click first, okay, rename it to Java codes, okay, now select that folder, okay,
Yeah.
select folder now, click select folder, okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you are in, okay, yes, I trust the author, yes,
Yeah, I clicked on this.
yeah, now close this welcome screen. Very good. Now maximize this. Okay. And now Java codes is there. Oh, let me show you the, how you have to code in here. Okay. First,
Okay.
let stop sharing your screen.
Yeah, I stopped.
Okay. Yes. All right. Do you have my screen now?
Yes, I
See.
see it.
Okay, see what happens is this is the folder that you're currently in. Okay, so
Okay.
if you create any new file in here, see new file is there. If you want to create new folder, you can click here, okay, on the same folder, okay,
Okay.
and then this is refreshing explorer, okay, okay, and now if you want to create a new file, there are two options. Either you right click inside this one, okay, this box, right click new file. Either you do that or you just click this one. Okay. So then now I'm going to create hello world.java. Okay. You understand? This is the terminal window. You have to close it every time you want to see the output. Okay.
Okay.
Now see, I have created this, hello world.java. You can see automatically it shows me code. See,
Okay.
public
Yeah.
class, hello world, and I
Okay.
just want to, test my program. Okay. So if it shows me output or not, okay, my compiler and configuration, Java configurations, okay, it
Yes.
is appropriate. Okay. So I just write public static void main and string args. This is the arguments array, the command line
Okay.
arguments, and then I will print it here. System dot out dot.
Should I write this? Should I write this?
No, 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 not yet. First, let me show it to you, okay? How you have to execute, okay? Hello, world. Now, this is the output that you want to show, okay, to the user. Okay, all right. So, how do you run this code? Okay, see, as soon as I write main function, main function is the entry point of the program. You got
Yeah.
here run button, see?
Okay.
Here also, okay, and here also, okay. So if you click
Okay.
this one, it should open up the terminal and show you the output. See, in here, I can see output hello world. Look at here,
Yeah, I see.
and if you close it, and then run it from here also. See, do you see the hello world here output?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, there are other ways also. Okay, it's not just only way of executing. Okay, so you can execute by Java C name of the file, then class file is generated. Okay, that way also you can do it. Okay, but it's much better. Okay, now it's
Uh,
your turn. Okay,
Oh,
We'll okay. Today's session is all about installing Visual Studio Code, installing Java, checking if we already have Java installed in our system. Okay, how to check it? Let me open up the CMD. Okay,
okay.
see,
You want me
I'm
to share?
opening. No, no, no. Hold on. Okay, okay. You can. I will stop sharing, and now you share your screen. Go to command prompt. Type in CMD.
Command prompt?
CMD. Yeah, in the search there is a search. No, bottom. Okay, bottom of the window, yes. And now type Java space hyphen two hyphen minus sign two minus signs. No, no, that forward slash remove it. Okay, okay, just two minus signs. Okay, version slash n you have to that n you have to remove. You just need two minus sign and then version at the no space. Okay, enter. Okay, so you just type in there Java. Okay, it's already installed, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so Java. Okay, just do one minus sign. Okay, use one minus sign. No capital, J small.
One.
You see, it's
Yeah.
a 1.8 version. You already have it there installed. Okay, and if you don't know, okay, if suppose nothing, it says unrecognized option. Okay, command. Then in that case, what do you do? Oh, go to Google.
And then,
If Java is not installed, in that case, okay, you go to Google web browser. Okay, type in there Java, download Java. Okay, very good. Go to download section of Java. Okay, and you accept all first. Okay, the download Java is button there, in the manual. Okay, and then you can download and install, isn't it? Installation
yep.
instructions are also there. Please right click, please click on that installation instructions. Scroll down. There are two links. Installation instructions. Okay, how do I install Java online for Internet Explorer is there? Okay, download and install. Scroll down. Okay, there are steps in here. Okay, the first screen that shows you this one, welcome to Java. Then you click on install button. Okay, then you click on, yeah, after this, okay. After this is quite easy, just clicking on next and install. Okay. All right, let's go to Visual Studio Code now.
Yep. I'm in Visual Studio Code. I'm in Visual Studio Code now. Do I
Create a
new?
new file. Yes.
Okay.
Hello world. No,
Yep.
no, no, no. See, the first rule to name a file. No, you're doing wrong. To name
Oh.
a file, your first letter is capital. Okay.
Oh.
So right click, new file. Hello, H capital, world, H capital, W capital.
Oh.
Okay. Dot Java. No, 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 capital Java, small Java. Okay. It's
Okay.
an extension. You can rename also instead of
Oh.
deleting. Okay, very good. Okay, see, oh, you already got class created. Okay, only thing you have to do now, public static void main. You have to write main function. Okay, and string arguments array args.
Okay.
Okay, all right, and main function body s capital. Hello world,
Why?
you have to make it h capital and w capital. Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Okay.
Now inside this you have to print. Okay, hello world. Okay. Okay, exclamation mark. Please provide exclamation mark after word. After word exclamation mark. Okay, two exclamation marks. Okay, one more. Okay, very good. Now run this. There's a run button there. Okay. Yeah, you need to give access to your network. It's a file, it's
Yeah.
yeah, it's blocking actually your port. Now, what does it say? This 752 accidentally you typed in?
Yes.
Yeah, no issues. So can you please close this and rerun it? Close,
Okay.
not this one, terminal one. No, no, this will close. Delete. Recycle bin button is there, no? In the
Yeah.
terminal. See, just now
Yes.
you close, no? Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's
Now
fine.
you got the clean output. Okay. Hello world. All right.
Yep.
Yeah, very good. You're doing good. Okay. How do you feel using Eclipse and using Visual Studio
It's
Code?
fine.
It's
It's good.
professional, no?
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So most of the developers uses this one. Okay. It's better you use it, from the first program. Okay. All right. Then installation of Java and Visual Studio Code and executing your first program. It's completed.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So what you do? First thing first, you take a screenshot of your work and post it in a group. Okay, and you
Okay.
say, okay, program one. Okay, program one. And name of the program. Let me show you. Hold on. Don't take a screenshot right now. Let me teach you what I want, how I want it. Okay. So see in here. See, how do you save this? How do you send a screenshot? See, when you take a screenshot, no, you have to name that screenshot before posting in the group, okay? Like this.
Okay.
Program one, P1 underscore. So this program is about, hello world printing, hello world dot, hello world. So it's a
Okay.
program first, okay? That's why P1. Next program you sent it, no? So that
Yep.
number will be, you will be incrementing this number, P2. Then dot, let's say after like hundreds of programs you are doing now, then it will be P100. Okay,
Yeah.
then P105, then 200. Okay, so this should be the number. This is the weight. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Okay, and when done, no, let me know. Okay, I'll see it, check in the group. Okay.
So I should screenshot?
Yeah, do you know how to take a screenshot?
Yes.
Okay,
So I
share
should
your
like.
screen, please.
Okay. Okay. So I should say P1.
Hello, others. Line number 7, delete it, please. Because in that screenshot, I don't want that text. Okay. Okay. All right. Skipping to uh, new. Click on the new button. Okay. You already did.
Okay.
Okay.
Full thing.
Not that much actually. With output. Okay. With output. Yes. With output. And also that explorer. Okay. Also that explorer. I need that
Okay.
explorer.
This like okay, fine. I'll make new one. This much?
Okay, you can just take up to the output, no? Like instead of going bottom, okay? Just take your cursor, little bit up. Oh, yes, yes, up to the output only. Hello world, below hello world, okay? Yeah, that much only. Yes. Okay, send it in a group. You can stop sharing before you go to WhatsApp, okay? Or you want to do later on, that's fine.
Yeah, I'll do later.
Yeah, you can do it later. Okay. So let me share my screen
Okay.
now. Okay. Okay, we'll be doing,
Okay.
we have seen Hello World program, right?
Yep.
Okay. So now we'll be doing the next program, which is addition of two numbers program. Okay.
Okay.
Let me show you that we have talked about variables, right, in our demo session, isn't it? So let
Yep.
me tell you what is variable. First, we write in here variable. Variable, it's a container. It's a simple, very simple definition. It's a container, okay, which stores values, okay. So let, for example, let's put multi-line comment in here, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so these information, it will help you understand. Okay, so now it is a container. Also, another definition, it is name the memory location. Name memory location. Other way is the location of memory location has given a name. Okay,
Okay.
the memory location has given a name.
Oh.
It's like uh when you buy a land property, okay, you name that, you put a name there on that property, right? This
Yep.
property belongs to, this person, isn't it? Basically, what
Yep.
you are doing, you are naming it, you know, that this property, it belongs to this person, right? So
Yep.
likewise, imagine that property, that house, imagine it's a memory block, okay? So memory
Okay.
block is there, empty memory block is there, okay? And we are naming it. We are naming it as X. We are naming it as number one. We are naming it as answer. We are naming it as area. That is anything that you wish to. Okay.
Okay.
So you are naming the empty memory block. Okay. So why we should name it? Okay. Okay. So let's say you buy the property. Okay. And let's say you're living in a house, but that house doesn't have a name or address. Okay, so if anybody wants to send letter to you, okay, like you want to order something online, okay, so if you don't mention the plot number, you don't mention the house number or house name, the delivery can't reach your home, isn't it? The
Yep.
parcel won't be delivered, right?
Yes.
Isn't it? So that's why naming is important. So why do we name it? See, let's say I have a memory block. Okay, let's say this is the memory block. Okay,
Okay.
so if I name this as X, no, it is easy for me to, store information inside it. Like X is 5. If there is one more memory in here, okay, let's say this is, okay, so in here. Okay, so if I want to keep information in here, see, I have kept information. See, in two memories, I have information. In first
Okay.
memory, I have 5, but in
Yep.
this memory block has a name X. And in
Yep.
the second memory block, I have value 6, but this doesn't have a name. Okay, if I ask
Yep.
you, get this value, okay, you can get it. You can retrieve it. But if you want to get this value, you can ask, okay, X, give me the value.
Okay.
It's easy to get the value back, okay, if you have
Yep.
that memory name, okay, name. Okay, so memory location should have a name. Like say, I want to keep in this X memory some information. Okay, let's say. So this is a block, okay, this is a memory block. Just for your understanding, I'm making it simpler. Okay. Okay, so this is 5 and this is 6. Okay. So this memory block doesn't have name, and this memory block does have a name. Okay, see, this is having X, okay, name, and this doesn't have a name. So I want to print this name. Okay, what I will do, I'll say system dot out dot println, I'll just say X. But let's say, okay, it will be giving me output what? It will be giving me
Fine.
output 5. But let's say I want to print this, okay, 6 value. How do I do it? See, I can write system dot out dot println, but I don't have anything here, that memory block, that is named here. Okay, that's why naming is important. How
Yeah.
do I get this value? From this memory, it doesn't have a name.
Maybe like Y or something.
Yeah, if you, if you name some money to your friend, okay, and your mom and dad ask you, whom did you lend the money? You say, I don't
What?
know the name,
Okay. Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know the name, So how do you get it back then
So
if you
he
don't
had
know
to
the
get,
name?
he had to
Every
get it.
person, like every person has a name, no? So every memory location should have a
Yeah.
name. That's our first responsibility while writing the program, that we should first create a memory, okay? See, we should
Okay.
name a memory. So here we are naming memory X, we are naming memory Y, okay? We are naming memory sum, subtraction, multiplication. We are creating containers here. Okay, so
Yes.
one by one we can keep values in. See, I can put X, I can put 10 in X, okay, I can put value 20 in Y, okay, and I want to print now. See, here I will put 5, okay. When you write this statement, understand?
Yes, I see.
When you write this statement now, meaning that the memory which have name X, which is named X, you are putting this value at this location. Okay,
Okay.
and the memory which has named as Y. See, now we are naming this as Y. You're putting 6 into that. Okay, so see. So now this memory location, remembers the values. Okay, and through the name we can retrieve the values. Okay, we can get the values back. Now,
Okay.
if I say, in here Y, it should give me the answer. Okay, so
Yes.
let's test this program. So let me copy this code, okay, and paste it below. Okay,
Okay.
these are all comments, it won't execute. Okay, so as
Yes.
if it is not there. Okay, as if the compiler interpreter, it will treat it as it's not there. See, like this. Okay,
Yep.
and do you know what these underlines, why we have these underlines? Because we are not
Not
using this.
necessary. That's not necessary.
Some we can have it later on, okay, as and when we need it, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So let's run this one, okay, and this will output what?
It will print 5 and 6.
Okay, very good. So it should print 5 and 6. So let's test it. Okay, all right. So here we go. We have 5 and 6. It is much better, if we have variable name also along with the value, isn't it?
Yep.
It's much better. It will say that X is 5 and Y is 6. So what should I do in here? I
Just
can
put up.
use string. I can say X is, you know, colon and plus. And in
Yep.
here, I can do Y is colon and plus Y.
Yep.
You understand?
Yes.
So let's first kill the terminal and run it from here. And now you can see that we have X is 5 in here and Y is 6 in here. Okay, let's kill the terminal one more time and run it from here. Okay, we got the same output in here. X is 5 and Y is 6 in here. Okay,
Okay.
you understand?
Yep. I understand.
Okay, so now we can do is we can perform addition of these X and Y. Okay, so let me just save this one. Okay, it's very important though. Okay, that we keep theory part and program together. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's for our understanding. Okay, so I'll be
I,
sharing this to you. Don't worry. You know what we have learned day wise. Okay, so this is your first session. So let's
yes.
run this one more time. See, as many times you run it, no, it's showing the say output, you need to scroll down. So let's kill the terminal every time and before you want to see the next output. Okay, so let's create a new, okay, let's copy paste all the code first. Okay, we don't want to write the code again and create a new file in here and you want to do addition. Okay, so
Should I write this?
addition.java. Okay, so, you
Should I write
know,
this?
what?
Should I write this?
Yeah, I can give it to you. I will give you 20 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Last 20 minutes is a practical session for you, okay? So it's this last program that I'm doing. See, in here, I have to do, I have to perform addition of x and y.
Yep.
How will you do it? You know, you want to
Uh,
create one more container.
X plus Y.
Yeah, you can do x plus y, but you need to keep that result in somewhere, no? You need a
Yes.
container, right? You need a
Yep.
variable. Okay, so you need to declare here variable, which is sum. Okay, so see now x plus y, 5 plus 6 is 11. Where do you want to keep it? In the variable sum, no? So sum
Yeah.
will hold the addition of x and y. Okay,
Okay.
so now I don't want this. Okay, I want to print, you know, system dot out dot println. I want to say addition is, or you can say addition of x and y. Okay, plus y. Okay, and then you can say is then plus sum. Do you know what we have done here?
Yeah. We have made an addition
Yes,
statement.
see, first it will print addition of. Okay, it's much better, we just write another statement in here. Okay, simple. System dot out dot println. We just say sum is, and then here we say stop. Okay, and we will delete this one. Okay,
Okay.
and let's save it and run it. Okay, make sure there are no spelling mistakes before you run it. Okay, okay, it says sum is 11. Okay, you want to see the output on the new line, then you can do println. Okay, empty println. Or you can just use slash in here. Okay, okay, in here you use slash. See, it is printing sum is 11. Okay,
Yep.
you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now if you want to perform subtraction, what we do, just create one more variable to store the resulting sub variable. Sub means it's a short form of subtraction. You do
Okay.
x minus y. Okay, then
Y.
you want to do multiplication. To create one more variable, multiplication. Variables role is to store the values in. So x into y. Then
Yep.
division, you need division. So don't forget to create variable, because see now it's giving red flag that this division variable. If you scroll your mouse over this div, it will tell you div cannot be resolved to variable. Means it's saying okay that it's a not variable is not declared. So it says
Oh,
if you want to quick fix, if you take your mouse over this, you say quick fix. It says create field div. Okay, so you can do that, create local variable div. See, it immediately created here int div. Okay, but let's say you want to do other way. Okay, quick fix. Okay, and you can say create field div. Okay, here you
oh,
can see it has created property, but we don't want property yet. So we can just do comma and div in here. Okay.
yes.
And now what we do, we need to create in statements like here we can say, you know, subtraction is, and what variable I should use in here?
X and Y.
No, subtraction result. Okay, in what variable it is stored?
Sub.
What variable the result is? Tell me.
I don't understand your question. Could you repeat? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, see, we want to print subtraction. Now, where did you perform subtraction?
Sub.
Yes, very good. So here you have to use sub variable, okay? You have to show the answers, no? Here,
Yep. Mal.
yes. And then in here,
Div.
okay, let me delete this one. Yes. In here we say division and here div. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's save this. Okay. And run this. Okay. See, it says addition is 11, subtraction -1, multiplication and division. Okay. Division
Okay.
is giving 0 only because, we want to make this one as 12. Okay.
Okay.
It will give you division 2. See, division is 2. 12 divided by 6, 2. Multiplication 72. Subtraction, everything is working. So in this today's session, what you have learned, let me just, put some key points in here. What you have learned?
We learned the integer storages.
See,
Print
first thing first, what we have learned is
up.
installation. Okay, installation of VS Code. Okay, and
Yes.
Java. Okay, second thing, we saw how to, you know, run a simple Java program. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, and then third, we have, seen the addition program. Okay, addition or arithmetic operations we have performed. All arithmetic operations we have seen, have performed. Okay, so for today, it's enough. Okay, all these
Okay.
points you need a practicing of this before we start, another topic. Okay, so you
Okay.
need to practice. Okay, so I'll give,
Okay.
next 20 minutes is just a practice session for you. You need to rejoin the session. I'll stop this recording. Okay. Okay. It doesn't mean it's the end of the session. 20 minutes, it's a practice session for you. What I have done now, I'll be sharing this code to you and you need to, practice it. Okay. I'll be monitoring, but that session will not be recorded. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay,
No.
thank you for joining today's session. Have a nice day. But immediately you have to click the same link and join the session. Okay,
Okay.
this session is not finished. 20 minutes you need to do practicing now. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.